art space. And what was the third one? The Patchogue Theater. All three of them were voted best on Long Island.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
It's really great.
So it's just kind of a little bit.
That's nice.
Sense of where we've
It's very
come
nice.
as a community.
I did have one more thing on my agenda. We've gotten some inquiries. As some of you are aware, people are interested to have some more information about our code as it relates to food-oriented franchise businesses. So I wanted to ask Attorney Egan to please give us some of the details that we told you 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Yes. This is not proposed for change, by the way, tonight. This is just for clarification purposes. The board in 2010 adopted a prohibition on formula and/or franchise food establishments. And the legislative intent is important. I only want to take a certain section from this. And, you know, this board doesn't normally adopt legislative intents as part of the code, but just the concept was important. This is one of the exceptions in when we did it. Legislative intent and findings. Hereby found and established that the village of Patchogue has a strong interest in creating and maintaining a desirable living, working, and business environment for all visitors and residents of the village. It is further found that the addition of formula and/or franchise food establishments, if not monitored and regulated, will frustrate the village's goal of achieving a unique and diverse retail business and food establishment base comprised of a mix of businesses, both local and national in nature. That the unregulated establishment of formula or franchise food establishments will unduly limit or eliminate business establishment opportunities for local and smaller or medium-sized businesses. With that said, the board adopted a prohibition of any formula or franchise food establishments in the D2 and D3 business district. The village code, as the board is aware, is like a funnel. And the widest permission in the villages is D1, and then it comes down to anything permitted in D1 except for this, which is D2, and anything permitted in D3 is everything in D2 except for this, so it gets smaller. So it's in the D2 section, but the prohibition also flows to the D3 business district, which is our most restricted district, our business core. So in D2 and D3, franchise formula food restaurants are prohibited, absent a special use permit from the Board of Trustees. And the definition of a formula or franchise food establishment is important. A food establishment required by contract or other arrangement to maintain any of the following: standardized array of services and/or merchandise, trademark, logo, service mark, symbol, decor, architecture, layout, uniform, menus, ingredients, food preparation, or similar standardized features. So when you think of that, think of McDonald's, think of Subway, think of those kind of businesses. So that's the present state of the law. There is no proposal to change that before the board. There's been discussion about it based upon natural interest in the village economy. But as of now, that is the law in the village of Patchogue.